Welcome to the Sankalpa Creations YouTube channel. Today we are going to study in another lesson.
First of all, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe for more videos. And also don't forget to ring the red bell for get notified when upload a new video.
Okay then, without wasting time talking too much, let's go to the lesson. What are we going to learn today? Do you know, Helena?
No sir, I don't know.
Okay, so listen, today we are going to learn simple present tense. Now go and take your seat. Today our topic is simple present tense. Hands up one who can describe the topic.
Sir, I think I can.
Okay Helena, then describe the topic as you can.
Sir, I think that when we describe whatever we do in present, what we are used to do, and what we do daily as a hobby, should be used in simple present tense. Am I correct?
Yes, you are very correct. So let's see what are those. The simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The simple present tense is simple to form. Just use the base form of the verb. I take, you take, we take, they take. The third person singular takes an S at the end. He takes, she takes, like that. Okay Helena, then have you an idea about this?
Why not sir? To express habits, general truths, repeated actions or unchanging situations, emotions and wishes. I smoke, habit. I work in London, unchanging situation. London is a large city, general truth. To give instructions or directions, you walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. To express fixed arrangements, present or future, your exam starts at 09:00. To express future time, after some conjunctions, after, when, before, as soon as, until. He'll give it to you when you come next Saturday.
Whoa, great Helena, proud of you. You have understand very well. But be careful when you use this. The simple present is not used to express actions happening now. Okay, now let's look at some examples for habits. He drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They watch television regularly. For repeated actions or events. We catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. They drive to Monaco every summer. For general truths. Water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth revolves around the sun. Her mother is Peruvian. For fixed arrangements. His mother arrives tomorrow. Our holiday starts on the 26th of March. With future constructions. She'll see you before she leaves. We'll give it to her when she arrives. Therefore, as I told earlier, simple presentation is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Affirmative, interrogative, negative. I think, do I think? I do not think, you think, do you think? You do not think. Thinks, does he think? He does not think, thinks, does she think? She does not think, it thinks, does it think? It does not think, do we think? We do not think. They think, do they think? They do not think. Notes on the simple present, third person singular. In the third person singular the verb always ends in S. He wants, she needs, he gives, she thinks. Negative and question forms use does equals the third person of the auxiliary do plus the infinitive of the verb. He wants ice cream. Does he want strawberry? He does not want vanilla. Verbs ending in Y, the third person changes the Y to E's, fly greater than flies, cry greater than crease exception. If there is a vowel before the Y, play greater than plays, pray greater than prays. Examples. He goes to school every morning. She understands English. It mixes the sand and the water. He tries very hard. She enjoys playing the piano.